What's going on, guys? It's Cade from Beyond the Box back with another video. I'm glad to be back. It's nice to sit behind this table. It's been a little while, but I'm happy to get back into the swing of things. Guys, if you're new to the channel, which this might be your first video because the algorithm hasn't been pushing me lately. If this is your first video, we are giving an Oculus Quest 2 away at 20,000 subscribers. We're really getting close. And we're also gonna give a PS5 away at 30,000 subscribers. All you guys gotta do to win is follow the channel, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you're always alerted whenever I post a video, because obviously I haven't been posting a lot, so you don't wanna miss the few that I do. I just don't post a lot of videos these days because I'm doing a lot of different things. I own 5 companies and I'm doing a lot of different stuff. And I don't just want to make a video review on a product that I don't actually have any interest in. If you guys have seen my channel videos before, you guys know about a company named Gravastar. Gravastar is a great sound company. They make great headphones, great speakers. I've worked with them before, like for this amazing guy right here. And one of the recent projects we actually did together for the Gravastar Cyrus P5 earbuds. Amazing products. The speaker literally looks like a bumblebee eyeball from Transformers. It's awesome. By the way, it's literally custom painted. Every single speaker is custom painted. You'll never find the same speaker that looks the exact same as this one. You know how impressed I have to be to tell a girl that I'm hanging out with, hey, if you need to try some earbuds, you should try these ones. They're not Apple, but they're freaking incredible. You know how hyped I have to be about a product to tell a girl about, hey, check out my earbuds. No, like that's how good the products are from Gravastar. So anytime they reach out to me and they want me to make an unboxing of their product, I can never say no, because 2 out of 2 times they've had a fantastic product. They reached out again, they wanted me to talk about their Supernova Bluetooth speaker that just came out recently, and I'm really excited to take a look at it. I've been looking at it in the box. I haven't been looking at it online because I wanted to go in with a brand new perspective, but it has a really freaking cool look. I literally pulled it out of the shipment box, you know, the big brown box, and I saw the picture of the speaker because I had no idea what they were sending me, and I was just blown away. I'm like, what the hell, Gravastar? This is so cool. So futuristic. It's incredible. Literally sound from the future. You will never find another speaker that has a gravitas like Gravastar. Like, let's check out the sides of the box and see what we're getting. This is completely transparent, so you have a clear dome on the front where you can actually see like what's going on inside the speaker. We'll talk about that in a little bit, but the buttons for the speaker are on the top. The cool thing about this, you can use this in a lamp mode, or you can use this as an actual speaker, similar to this speaker. The RGB lights, you can change it to 8 different solid colors, I believe. It's got 3 different modes: solid, camp light, and breathing. And the rhythm mode basically works like it matches the rhythm of the music, which is really freaking cool itself. Tweeters at the bottom. Sound basically, I think, comes out of the bottom. We'll figure that out in a little bit. So let's take a look at the back and the stats of this product. So it's got 5.3 Bluetooth, which is the newest one. It only weighs 1 kilogram, pretty light. It's a 25 watt power output. A battery is 3,350. That's gonna give you at least 7 hours on 60%, give or take. I wonder how long this battery would actually last at 100%. I don't ever blast my speakers at 100% because I live in an apartment building, but I do blast, actually I blast this thing. I blast it pretty well. And I've only had to charge it like maybe twice total in the past year that I've used it. I don't use it a lot unless I'm like pre-gaming before I go out or something. I don't listen to a lot of music because I'm always working. But it's nice to know that these speakers from Gravastar have a long battery life. So I don't ever really have to charge it very much. And it looks like within around 30 feet, you'll be able to use this. You can walk away with your phone in your pocket and not really ruin the music connection. So let's just open it up finally and see what we're getting. Got the Gravastar logo on the top of this foam. Super cool touch. Woo! This thing looks freaking crazy. What the hell, Gravastar? What are you doing? Who thinks of these things? Here's a little handle that can go onto the top. Let's see, you'd probably have to screw it in on one of these. There we go. I think this is probably gonna latch onto here somehow, but this is basically gonna turn into a handle. So you could literally use this as like a camping light. If you wanted to take this camping with you, you'd be really weird if you wanted to take this camping with you, but you could use it as a handle if you ever wanted to carry it around. You ever wanna show your friends, hey guys, look at my speaker. Let's see what else is in the box. Let's see. So it comes with a USB-C, USB cord, and a headphone jack on both ends. And what is in here? Oh, it's the little screw and nut and bolt. So that way you could add the handle. I don't know if I'm gonna add the handle. Looks like you screw it in through 2 places. I think it's much cooler to just have it as like a centerpiece on a table or something. So I would never probably put the handle on top. You could use it for whatever you need to, but I'm just probably not going to. Okay, so it doesn't actually come with a power brick. So you either have to get your own or there is one you can get online. I know they just came out with it. It looks like a white robotic dog. It's a pretty cool power brick. I can't remember the exact stats on that, so I can't speak on that. But this is the product, guys. The speaker sound comes out of the bottom. I don't know if is there a subwoofer? Is the tweaker? Yeah, a tweaker is a subwoofer basically, right? I don't know much about. I just judged the sound. Freaking cool design. I love that they sent me the all black. Thank God that they sent me a dope design that I'm gonna love. I didn't even pick out the color myself. They just like, I know what you want, we're gonna give it to you. I'm really happy about this. I would actually order this one if I was probably gonna order one. Unless they had cooler designs of this all black theme is super dope. The power button's right here at the top. Ooh, fuck, I love these speakers. I love Gravastar products, man. They always have something crazy going on. Gravastar Supernova, here we go. Love it. Okay, so I don't know if I should like turn the lights down or like, we should probably do that. So now the phone is connected and the lights are on. Let's see, there's a volume up button. Well, how do I change the colors? My only question. Ooh, there we go. We double tapped it. Now we got solid colors. Look at that. That is sexy. And I love that it got the lights on the bottom. By the way, you can fold these legs however you want to. Oh, wow. It can literally like glow on the table. That's so sick. So you don't really need to have the legs out like that. Like you can have them bent in and a little bit smaller, a little bit closer to the ground. That's a super cool design. I love these red lights. Damn, this is cool. So let's just start and show you guys what the rhythm mode sounds like. This speaker is freaking amazing. What the hell? That sound is just so crisp. The bass is amazing. Wow, this is not a fake reaction. I thought this speaker was the coolest speaker I ever had. Now I like this one even more. What color do I pick? I gotta pick the red because it just looks so cool. But I love the blue because look at this. I got the blue on this one. I love my, wait, what's it gonna do? I can select between, I wonder if I can connect these 2 speakers at the same time. I connected both of them. Oh my God. I wonder, is this gonna work? That would be crazy. Okay, so the sound is only coming out of this one now. The sound is incredible! What the hell? The blue looks so sick too, like, I gotta go with the red. The red is my favorite, red's my favorite color anyway. But wow, this looks so cool on camera and in real life. I love the fact that if you have the lights facing down, it glows on the table. Super cool little accent if you got a white clear table or like a granite countertop, anything at all, that's gonna look sick. This speaker, it blows my mind how good quality it is. God, I love you, Gravastar. You make the best sound product. Well, that was a lot of fun, guys. This was a really great product and a really fun video for me to make. I absolutely always love working with Gravastar. They're a great company. Thank you for reaching out again and always keeping me a part of your team. I appreciate getting to see these products and review them because they always give me a great attitude after I check them out. I'm actually super happy. Like, None of this was scripted. I didn't expect to be this blown away. I'm really happy about the product. If you guys are interested, you should check it out too, because literally this is my new favorite speaker. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and smash that thumbs up. It really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. We're giving an Oculus Quest 2 away at 20,000 subscribers, and we're giving a PS5 away at 30,000 subscribers. So we're getting really close. I don't do these videos that often, guys. I would appreciate your support. I do so many things and I'm just trying to pull myself in so many directions. All the support I could get from you guys, it would mean a lot. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed your time and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.